So this is the second full day kind of spent at the airport with my new Cessna 150F 1966. Very successful day. Started taking off some inspection ports. Had Mike, our AI, come and we actually turned the engine over. We cranked it over. We didn't start it. One thing I thought was so cool is in 1966 it was so important that you'd be able to have an ashtray and smoke your smokes. So there's an ashtray on either side. So yeah, not commercial flying, no smoking. In this thing, you could smoke. Anyway, I'm falling in love with her. Maybe I'll make a whole series on it. But yeah, it's I bore scoped some of the cylinders, and Mike says it looks like just normal carbon buildup. The engine is really kind of clean. It's got this old starter where it's just a cable that comes to this little push button. So when you pull it, it just pushes the button on the side of the starter, and there's also a little throw pin that it also pushes. So took the battery out. The battery was dead. Used my nice Optima to get it when we had it kind of cranking over. And I cleaned the belly. I degreased the belly because we're going to do an annual. Started taking off some of the inspection ports and strips and stuff like that. So all the counties even got the boots. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is the first video. Got it hooked up to a battery. You can see the generator light on. You can hear the gyros spinning. First power up, got the beacon flashing. Gonna do just walk around on the nav lights. White nav light is operational. See the wing light over here. Yep, got red on this side. And hopefully green over here. We got green over here.